let's on to some interesting news just coming in. HDFC Ergo is buying L&T General Insurance. Let's get to the details. Ritu Singh is joining in with the consolidated detail. Ritu, how much will they buy? What's the valuation looking like? Because I believe it's a 551 crore rupees. Take us through the kind of AUMs that they can be able to garner then.
Well, what's most interesting about this deal is this is one of the first ever mergers between two insurance companies. Remember, L&T had been looking for a partner for its insurance business for a long time because remember, L&T General Insurance is 100% owned by the parent. It contributes barely 0.5% to the total group revenues. So HDFC Ergo, which is the general insurance arm of HDFC Limited, has signed an agreement to take over L&T General Insurance for a consideration of about 551 crore rupees. This, of course, is still subject to approvals from both the Bombay High Court and ADA, and among other, even CCI after that. L&T, like I mentioned, has been looking for a partner for quite some time. It is a very small. HDFC Ergo is it is actually the fifth largest general insurer in the company, but L&T Finance has a net premium for about 240 crores as of the December quarter. So a much smaller entity, but the merged combined premium, we will get you the numbers very soon. The combined entity will make it one of perhaps the fourth largest insurer in the country. Still no timeline given for when the deal could be concluded, but L&T in its statement said it was part of the company's strategy to exit all the non-core businesses, and HDFC Ergo in the meantime also had been looking for a partner, sort of win-win for both the parties.
I know you'll still need some time to go through the exact details of the merged entity, but roughly once the merger does go through, typically, of course, IRDA approval, etc. coming in will take at least through 3 to 4 months time minimum. But what is the kind of shareholding that L&T will have and HDFC will have post the merger is completed?
HDFC Limited's holding in HDFC Ergo, if I'm not wrong, is about 50-odd%. Post this merger, it perhaps could, L&T's shareholding structure actually is not with me right now, but the shareholding structure more or less remains same. Remember, HDFC has also recently concluded a deal with Ergo where they've increased the stake in HDFC Ergo. But post the merger, what the share holding would look like, we'd still have to take a look and come back to you.
All right, Ritu, thanks for joining in with that. Remember, L&T has been looking at monetizing assets across the board. The possibility of general insurance monetization was on. There were talks about merger with HDFC Ergo, and that has gone through. It will create a significantly large entity and perhaps even increase the kind of consolidation that we will see in the insurance space. We'll get you details and have Ritu back through